Welcome to the HRS Pro Web Managing Your Account video. In this video, you will see how to manage your HRS Pro Web account. There are two types of editions you can use in HRS Pro Web. The Standard Edition is the free version, or the Enterprise Yearly Subscription Edition. We're going to first take a look at the Standard Free Edition and how to manage this account, and then upgrade it to the Enterprise Edition. After logging into HRS Pro Web, the Manage Account link allows you to view and edit your profile. Notice you have three tabs. The Profile tab, again, is where you can edit and view your profile information. You also can change your password. The next tab, License Information, allows you to view your license information. Since we are looking at a free account, the Standard Edition, you won't see any details on the screen other than your account status being free account and your account number. The next tab is the Manage Users. Because we are looking at the standard free account, there's not an option to add additional users to your account, since the free account is a one-user only account. You can upgrade to the Enterprise Edition to add additional users or holders. We'll discuss upgrading to the Enterprise Edition next. You can either select this option here, upgrade to Enterprise to add users, or from the License Information tab, upgrade to Enterprise. Both options will take you to the Purchase Details screen, where you can select to pay by credit card or print an invoice and pay by check. For all other payment methods, please send an email to support. Be sure to select the correct number of licenses and any additional licenses needing to purchase. If paying by credit card, enter your credit card information in the Pay with Credit Card section. Upon approval, your account will be upgraded immediately to the Enterprise Edition. We do now accept American Express, Discover, Visa, and MasterCard. If paying by check, click on the Generate Invoice from the Pay with Check section. Confirm the number of licenses you're needing to purchase. This becomes your invoice. Your account will not be upgraded until the check has been received. An email will be sent to the primary account user indicating when the account has been upgraded. You will also see this information under the License Information tab. Now let's take a look at an existing Enterprise account and how to manage this type of account now that we upgraded our account. You will still access the license information by clicking on the Manage Account link. However, since you are using the Enterprise Edition, you will see the details of your subscription under the License Information tab. Notice now it says Enterprise Account, your account number, how many licenses were purchased, when it was purchased, when it expires, and your access level. Since I am the primary account user, I manage this type of account. Only the primary account user can add additional users to their account. Also, from the License Information tab, you can view and print your receipt directly from this page. Also, you should note, if you paid with a credit card, a receipt will be emailed to you to the email that was registered. Since we are looking at an Enterprise account, let's take a further look at Managing the Users tab. Now notice the Add Users button is available to add additional users. Since this is a 3-user account, you as the primary account user is considered one user. So you have the option of adding 2 additional users, which means those named users will be able to access the same account, so all 3 users will have the same data. To add additional users, click on Add User. Red fields are required in order to save the record. If the user's email address already exists in the system, They cannot be added to your enterprise account. You will need to email or call support indicating that you are trying to add an existing user to your account and what the user's email address is. Please provide the details of your account, such as your company name and email address. After you've entered and saved the named user's information, an email confirmation will be sent to the user's email address where they will have to click on the link to confirm their email and create their password. Once you have added your licensed users and have met the number of licenses, you will not be able to add any more users unless you purchase additional licenses. As you can see now, under my Manage Users tab, I have 2 users, myself and Sarah Springfield. I'm going to add a 3rd user by clicking on Add User. Now I have my 3 users linked to my account. If I needed to purchase additional user licenses, click on Purchase Additional User Licenses. The system will automatically open up a new email allowing you to fill in the details and send to support. Once the email is received, we'll either call you to process your order by credit card or send you an invoice. If one of your users are no longer using HRS Pro Web and you'd like to redistribute that user license, you can click on Delete next to that user. This will remove that user from your account. However, it will also deactivate them in the system, and they will not be able to access HRS Pro Web at all. Be careful when deleting an existing user on your account. Again, they will not be able to access HRS Pro Web using that existing email address already registered. At this point, since you have one additional license that you can redistribute, you would click on Add User and enter a new user if you needed to. This concludes the HRS Pro Web Managing Your Account video. Be sure to review the additional video series or read the FAQs for further guidance in using HRS Pro Web.